precisely, it was not in balance properly, because I guess at one time or another something, it's not the original stuff that I built in 1958.
Oh no, well, half of it
Probably
was
all
missing.
been changed from something one or another. It even looks like a different block, because it did not go out of my shop with the 4-bolt main cam. We didn't have those yet.
Ah.
That's it's got a lot of nice play model stuff in it. It's got Escadarian roller 7000T. Your 7000T cam they put rollers on it, and that was a big mistake. It ruined the cam. It took the hard face overlay and chipped it out in a couple places. The old man is dead that did that trick welding, and no young person has ever taken it up. Escadarian, I have good friends there. I know the old man, but he doesn't do anything anymore. He's 105. But I know the shop foreman, and they went all over LA trying to find somebody that would redo the hard face. And finally he said, Don, why don't you just put the 7000T roller in it? I said, of course. Then you have to worry about nothing, because you had rollers anyway.
Right.
But we didn't use your rollers because they're aluminum, and that's a shaky deal.
Right.
For a little